Welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you very much for being here one more time on my kitchen. On today's recipe, I'm gonna be cooking something that I don't even know what it is, but I can assure you that it's going to be delicious. I'm gonna let you name this dish because I just wanna have fun. I wanna come to the kitchen, open the refrigerator. I found this meat and I wanna start cooking. And this is pork meat, some ribs that I just found in the refrigerator, and I want to make something. I want to be spontaneous with it. So follow the steps, follow me, and let's see the end results. The first thing you want to do with the pork meat that I found, or if you go to the supermarket, is you want to cut it in small pieces, and you're going to put them on a bowl to season the meat. And you are going to season it with, you're going to put a little bit of olive oil, tangine, black pepper, salt, parsley, oregano, lemon, salt, and pepper combined. After you have put all the seasonings on the meat, now what you need to do is you need to mix well and leave it for 2 hours so all the seasoning get well incorporated, so your recipe can have a great flavor. 2 hours later, you're gonna put a little bit of olive oil on a pan, and you're gonna start putting the meat in there and leave it cooking. While the meat is cooking, now you are wanting to start cutting the bell peppers, onion, and garlic cloves. Don't forget, cut them in small pieces. Now you're gonna go check your meat and see how's it cooking, and it's doing good. Now you're gonna come back and match your garlic cloves. I recommend it for you to use actual garlic cloves. Garlic powder will work also, but garlic cloves actually is more natural and it will give a really nice touch to the recipe. Now you want to go back and check the meat, how's it doing. You want to see this color, that golden brown color that tells you that the meat is ready to be, all the bell peppers, onions, and garlic clove is ready to be put in the meat. Mix that well. Once you mix well, you're gonna put 3 cups of water, because we're gonna be I think I'm gonna be putting a little bit of rice in it. Put 3 cups of water, 2 cups of rice. Before that, you're gonna add 2 or 3 spoons of tomato paste. You are going to mix well. Don't forget that every time you're cooking any type of meat, I'll recommend it to use a little bit of soy sauce and a little bit of mustard. Mustard will help the all the flavors to balance it out. And right here I have the soy sauce. You can use a tablespoon and a little bit of mustard. Right here, you want to add 3 cups of water. After you add the water, you're gonna add a little bit of salt, parsley, oregano, and black pepper. You're gonna mix all that well, and now you're gonna add 2 cups of rice. And I'm gonna let you name this dish. This is gonna be absolutely delicious. I don't know how to name it, I don't know the name of it, but I just know that it's gonna be absolutely delicious. Once the water starts drying up before you put the lid on, don't make sure it's not too dry, not too wet, because you don't want it to be too dry or too wet. You want it to be just right. Put the lid on, let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. And while that is cooking, I'm gonna be cooking some plantains. I'm gonna be frying some plantains. If you don't know what plantains are, I will leave the links of a picture in my description down below, so that way you can see what a plantain is. They're delicious. You can fry them, you can mash them. In this occasion, I'm gonna fry them, and I'm gonna be eating them with the rice that I'm cooking today. Right here, after you fry them for the first time, you get them out of the pan, you mash them, and you put them back in the pan. I will say that if you would like me to show you how, if you want to learn how to get it done, if you want to learn how to fry plantains, leave your comment down below, and I'll make a video on how to fry plantains. They're very easy and very cheap to do. This is the final result of the plantains. They look delicious. Right now we're gonna go back and check our rice. Our rice looks like it's almost done. You're gonna move it so that way it can cook uniform, so the stuff that was on the top can go to the bottom and the bottom to the top. And after you do that, you are wanting to leave for 5 to 7 minutes. Put the lid back on, and you will see the final results on this amazing recipe. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Look at the plantains, the color of the plantains, the color of the meat, the rice. It has a really good smell. It has an incredible texture. Look at the avocado. Just add a nice touch to this dish. Thank you very much for watching another video. Thank you very much for being here, supporting my work. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave your comment down below. Hit the bell for notification. The most important thing, share this video in any platform that you have if you wish. Thank you very much, and I will see you next time. But before that, please name this dish and leave your comment down below with the name of the dish. I'll see you next time. Bye.